It's also reality that for many, home is not a safe space. So there are persons who are dealing with issues of domestic violence, intimate partner violence, interpersonal violence. If you're in a home where there's homophobia, then home may not be a very comforting space for you to be in right now. So for that, I'll suggest a few things. So when, as it pertains to domestic violence, there are a number of strategies that we do recommend, and one of them is having your safety plan, which involves how you will handle the emotions and feelings and your behaviors about what to do should you see a situation happening in the home. So recognizing the signs and patterns in your partner, and when they are starting to get aggressive and there's a potential for violence. When you start to recognize those signs, you might want to think about what are the safer spaces in your home, which rooms might be safer for you to be in, where there are more avenues for escape and less likelihood of something being used as a weapon. Then you and your children can retreat to that space. Also, the social connectedness here is even more important than usual. So having somebody that you could reach out to let them know what's going on so they can help you cope with it as well. And they're also somebody you can call for help. So maybe they can provide a haven for you or help guide you through what your options are. Knowing what the domestic violence helplines are and which professional avenues for help are available is also important. So you should keep the phone numbers of these persons and these agencies handy so that you could use them when you need to. What you would also want to think about is, again, your self-care. So self-care is very critical here in terms of you need to take a few minutes every day to make sure that you are relaxed, that you are de-stressing, that you are taking care of your own needs. And this is important because it's going to help you be in a better frame of mind to be able to respond in an emergency when you need to. And it's also important to remember that, you know what, sometimes you feel alone when you're in an unsafe space, but you have people who do love you and care about you and support you. So I do encourage you to reach out to them in times like these as much as you can.